Is your garage door operating noisily or jerkily? One common issue is worn rollers. Rollers help the door move smoothly along the tracks, and when they become worn or damaged, it can cause your door to function improperly. Don't let worn rollers disrupt your daily routine. If you're in the Dapto area and facing garage door problems, our team of qualified professionals is ready to assist. Call us now at 040-977-4111 for expert garage door repairs. Ensure your garage door operates quietly and smoothly with our professional service. For reliable garage door repairs in the Dapto area, contact us today at 040-977-4111.